Most people think you can just pick any buy now pay later option on Amazon and it will work instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. Not every BNPL service is supported everywhere, and approval depends on both Amazon and the provider's risk system. Quick promise. In this video, you'll learn the best buy now pay later options for Amazon in 2026, how they actually work, and how to choose the one that gives you the highest approval chances. Let's jump right in. First, understand how BNPL works on Amazon. Amazon itself does not directly offer one universal pay later system in every country. Instead, it partners with third-party providers or allows you to use external BNPL services through virtual cards or credit systems. For example, Alex uses a BNPL service that issues a virtual card. He adds it to Amazon like a regular debit card and checks out instantly. But Jake tried the same thing with a restricted provider, and his payment failed. Now here's where it gets interesting. The most commonly used BNPL options for Amazon purchases in 2026 are services like Affirm, Afterpay, Klarna, and Sezzle, depending on your region. Each one works differently, and approval rules vary. Affirm is often used for larger Amazon purchases because it offers installment plans at checkout. It checks your credit and gives longer repayment terms. Afterpay and Klarna are more flexible for smaller purchases, but they may have stricter approval limits for new users. But here's the problem most people face. They assume every BNPL app works directly inside Amazon checkout. In reality, only certain accounts or regions will see direct integration. Others must use virtual cards or external checkout methods. Next, let's talk about approval. BNPL services look at your payment history, income stability, and spending behavior. If you are new, start with smaller Amazon orders to build trust. This increases your approval chances over time. Now here's something important. Using multiple BNPL apps at the same time can actually hurt your approval rate. It makes your financial profile look unstable to risk systems. In a minute, here's the key insight most users miss. The best BNPL option is not always the one with the highest limit. It is the one that matches your spending habits and approval consistency. Also, always make sure your billing address, Amazon account, and BNPL profile match exactly. Even small mismatches can cause payment failures at checkout. So to summarize, the best buy now pay later for Amazon depends on your region, credit profile, and usage behavior. Affirm, Klarna, Afterpay, and Sezzle are the most common options, but approval and availability vary. If you choose the right service and build a consistent payment history, you can unlock smoother approvals and higher limits over time. If this helped you understand how BNPL works on Amazon, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple money and shopping guides like this.